we made it. Today is Wednesday. Got my port put in. I'm waiting for my nurse practitioner to come in. I'm anxious. My anxiety is, I'm nervous. I'm scared, to be honest. I just really want this to be over, if that makes any sense. I'm happy I have a port this time, because years ago I didn't have a port. They used to just stick me in my arm, my IV. So I'm happy I got a port this time. I'm scared. So we didn't have treatment today due to my white blood count being extremely low. The doctor doesn't know, the nurse practitioner doesn't know why. He doesn't know why they didn't schedule me for the Zario shot that I had been getting on a Monday because my white blood count be low. He doesn't know why they didn't schedule me that for this week. So I would have to come back tomorrow, which is Thursday morning, and have chemo. So that's what that is. So I'm on my way home. So I have to come back. But then I was also notified that I have some other chemo treatments that will follow right after the 2 andromycin. So I am really confused about a lot of things. Every time I come, it's something new. So that's what's up with that. And I also have to, he's gonna schedule me to see the surgery doctor. So today is Thursday, August the 10th. And I was able to have chemo today, so we're waiting to get started. So I'm gonna edit some videos that I need to put up on both of our channels, and also sit back and relax and so you have to manually push this through?
Mm-hmm. We check blood return throughout the entire process. We push a little bit, check blood return, push a little bit, go back and forth. We have to make sure that this drug's going in the vein, not in your tissue.
And then after this, I get the
Cytoxin.
And what does Cytoxin do?
It's chemo.
But,
It doesn't.
But that goes with this one.
Right. So these are both chemotherapy agents used to kill the cancer. They usually use 2 because cancer is good at fighting or resistant, and hiding, and so it's kind of using 2 to kill it.
Okay.
The more things to kill it, the better.
Okay, so therapy, chemo went well today so far. They gave me an anti-nausea medication before the chemo and everything started, so that would help with the nausea. They say it lasts for at least 5 days, but we will see how it goes. But I do have some medication that I need to take tomorrow and a couple of days after, and I also have some nausea medicine. So I am home. I made it to my bed. It is 3:12 p.m. I had tacos from this taqueria on Poplar. I insert the name, but it was so good. And we did stop by Crumble Cookies and got some cookies for later. So that was a plus. But also my issue today was the burning nose sensation with the Cytoxin. And the nurse did tell me that it comes from the Cytoxin drip was dripping too fast, so they have to slow it down. But it usually comes at the end of the Cytoxin treatment. So that was that. So today I had the Keytruda, the Andromycin, and the Cytoxin. And they gave me some nausea medicine. So that's what I had today. So I am in the bed. I am going to get me some rest. And tomorrow I have to go get an Neulasta shot for 1 p.m. So I'll keep you updated on how I react with those shots. If I have any nausea with the Andromycin, or if I just breeze with it. Because it was a lot different than the last time that I had the Andromycin. Because the last time I had it, it came in an IV drip. And I did have an IV. I did not get a port. So every time I went to chemo, they would have to stick me. And that was just horrible. But they did tell me here that they shouldn't have done it through my veins because it can mess up your nerves and stuff like that. So that was something new. But they put it in with a syringe. That was something completely new to me. So it is what it is. But I'll keep you posted. Good afternoon. Today is August the 11th. It's noon. We're on our way to get my Neulasta shot. Everything was fine last night. I didn't have any nausea or anything, as well as this morning. They did give me some medication that I take in the morning and at night. I think that helps to prevent the nausea, but we're getting ready to go take the shot. We stopped at the drugstore. We did get some more Claritin because the Claritin helps with the pain. So I'll see you once I take my shot. And this is the Neulasta?
Yes.
And how does it work?
It's similar to the Zarzio, except that it's more of a longer acting and usually lasts until the next treatment to keep your white blood cells
Current.
elevated, just like the Zarzio. The other injection that you've been getting, it works in a similar way, with similar side effects.
Okay. So the pain will be I might have the same bone pain. Would it be longer or would it be shorter?
It
depends on the person.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you.
Now I'd still take the Claritin every day.
Mhm.
Had you been doing that before?
Yeah, I just picked up some more today. Good morning and welcome to the vlog. We're sitting out on the balcony today. We're going to watch the golf tournament, the St. Jude golf tournament. I'm going to read us a book today. I don't have much planned for today. Good morning. We're going to catch some of the St. Jude dinner golf for the day. It might be a little blurry. I think that may be due to the humidity. But I'll bring you closer so we can see the golfers walking in. And that I'm reading today is Middle Black Girl Boss by Keith Lee Johnson, which is the book I'm reading. So yeah. Good morning and welcome to a vlog. It is 9:30 in the morning, Thursday, whatever date. 17th. The 17th. We're on our way to see the doctor after the Neulasta and the chemo. It's been rough. I'm hangry because my taste buds is just all over the place. Also, the pain is a different level of pain. it feels like my bones are just heavy. So we're on our way to the doctor to see what's what. And twin celebrated a birthday this week, so I'm happy about that. I'm happy my mom's coming, but I'm blessed to be here with my husband, with my partner in crime, getting ready to go on vacation real soon. So yeah. Well, today went somewhat okay. My white blood count was completely low, so I have to take some antibiotics. So it is what it is, but he said I would be better, I would feel better in about another week. So I'm hoping that may be the case. And we just went over a few things about the different chemo drugs and stuff like that. All I want